Hello children, I'm back. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your days. Okay, so before the session, let's do some warm-up. Clap your hands. Roll your hands. Touch your head. Again. Okay. Clap your hands. Touch your head. Roll your hands. Clap your hands. Touch your head. Roll your hands. Yes, you all enjoyed the warm-up. Very good. So let's start the session. You know today which phonic letter you are going to learn? The sixth phonic letter. Do you know which letter is the sixth phonic letter? Let's see. Do you know them? No. We are going to learn today. The sixth phonic letter is capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. They say f. They say f. Capital F, small f. What they say? They say f. Let's see the picture of letter F. Do you know which bird is this? It's flamingo. F for flamingo. F for flamingo. F for flamingo. F for fla. F for fla. F for fly. Do you know who is he? Yes, frog. F for frog. F for frog. F for frog. Yes, the last one. F for flag. F for flag. Do you know which flag is this? This is our Indian flag. F for flag. F for flag. Yes, you all learned it, right? I'm going to show you another new thing. I already showed you. Which bird is this? Flamingo. Do you want to see the flamingo family? Yes. Yes, you want to see the family of flamingo? Here it comes. There are 4 members and one is flamingo. So totally we have 5 flamingo. Do you want to see? This is mummy flamingo, father flamingo, brother flamingo, sister flamingo and baby flamingo. Do you want to see and sing the recite for you? Listen. 5 flamingo, fly flamingo, 5 flamingo, is the sound of F. Is the sound of F. Isn't it? How many members does a flamingo has? 5. How many members? 5. 5 flamingo. 5 flamingo. 5 flamingo. Is the sound of F. Is the sound of F. Come on, flamingo is going to say bye. 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 He's happy with his family. Bye. Children, you all learned the flamingo recite. Yes, you enjoyed, I hope. Even you learned frog, am I right? So today we are going to do an activity of frog. From the letter F. We all learned letter F. From the letter F, we are all going to do the activity of frog. Okay, so you need a plain sheet of paper, and parents, you are going to help them to do the letter F. Can you see this? Yes. You only have to do this. Then after this, you need a glue, scissor, a green craft paper, color, and a small sheet of white paper. Okay, so let's start the activity. Yes, we already have letter F. From the letter F, we are going to do frog. So before that, we'll keep this aside and we'll start making the eyes of the frog. So I already said we need a small sheet of paper. Just make oval with your crayons, that is with the black crayon. Just do 2 oval. And cut it. I have already cut and kept it. So cut it. Okay. See, I have cut it the eyes part. So I will keep it this also safe. The next thing, you are going to take the green color, that is the frog is in green color. So you are going to fold the green color paper, and again you are going to take, parents, you are going to help them. Again you are going to take the black color and draw the leg of the frog. So that is like this. Can you see the leg? It is so simple. Okay, so shall we cut it? So see here, we have cut it the 2 legs of frog. So now let's start the activity. So we are going to color the F green color. Yes, color it. Children, you are going to color in one direction. Yes, so you will color in a correct position, okay, in a straight position. So already I have done it. So I have colored letter F. We have learned today letter F. So teacher has colored letter F. Okay, so now we are going to stick the eyes. We have already kept the cutout. So parents, you are just going to give them a drop. That is 2 drops of eyes. Yes. Then the legs. One is this side and the one is other side of the F. So you can put the gum like this and give it to the child. Not too much of glue. Okay, done. So next is you are going to just put a inside the eyes. And next the frog has a tongue, that is red color. You are going to take the red color and just put like the tongue. Can you see the frog? Yes. F for frog. F for frog. Isn't it beautiful, children? You all learned the frog. Parents, you are going to help them out. So children, today we have learned frog, F for, and we have also learned the activity today. I hope you all enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye children. Be safe.